Curious about heat pumps and whether they're a good fit for your home? Your local municipal light department now offers a free heat pump assessment program. Customers who are considering replacing their current heating system with a heat pump can schedule a no-cost, no-obligation consultation with an independent heat pump expert. Residents will learn how heat pumps work and receive guidance on using heat pumps for home heating and cooling while learning the type of unit that is appropriate for their home. Interested customers are connected with potential contractors and informed of heat pump rebate opportunities. Want to learn more? Call 888-333-7525 to schedule your free assessment today.